Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to lock SIM card on Infinix Note 30 NFC device. If you want to lock the SIM card that you are using, and then follow these steps. First of all, please open the settings menu and then scroll down. Here you can select the security option and select the bottom option. After that, please select the SIM card lock menu and then activate it like this and enter a memorable PIN. After that, your SIM card is successfully locked. Well, that's the tutorial on how to lock SIM card on Infinix Note 30 NFC device. And you can also apply this method on Infinix Note 30 and Infinix Note 30 Pro device. Please press subscribe button for more information. Thank you.